Number 17 from August 2014, the graph of the equation y equal ax squared is shown below. If you look at the graph, it's concave up, so you know a is going to be greater than 0. If a is multiplied by negative 1/2, so if you multiply by this, whatever the value is, by negative 1/2, the graph of new equation is, so you got to predict the shape of the graph. It's going to be wider, narrower, or downward, or upward. If you multiply by negative, a is going to be negative, so it's going to be downward. And if you multiply by fraction, it's going to increase slower than the one you have here. Anyway, we can find the value, exact value, even though you can't tell the answer already. So let's find the value of a. You can plot any point from the graph except this point, 0, 0. If you plot 0 and 0, that will give you y equals 0. And this is x equals 0. So if you plug it in, 0 equals to a, and x is, which is 0. So we will give it just 0 equals to 0. Oh, there's no way to find a. So you got to find a different point that it won't give you 0. So let's find another definite point. Here's another definite point. Here's another definite point. And if you go up here, here's another one, and here's another one. But we prefer small number. So let's use this point, which is x is right here, 1. And it's going up 2 point, 1, 2 up. That's y. So 2. So this is x. Let's use blue for y. 2 is y. Okay, we're going to substitute this value into this quadratic function to find the value of a. Okay, y is 2 equals to a, which is, we don't know. We'll find out soon. Okay, x is 1. So 1 square. We're going to simplify. So 2 equals to 1 square is 1. So it's just going to be a. So a is 2. So we found the quadratic function right here. Y equal a is 2. So equals to 2x squared. Now we're going to do, that was the first step, finding a. Okay, next we're going to find second graph, which is if you multiply this a with negative 1/2, what's going to happen? All right, let's see. Y equal 2, and we're going to multiply that by negative 1/2 x squared. Then 2 is over 1. All the natural numbers have 1 as a denominator, so you know that. So cancel, cancel. So y equals to positive, negative, so negative x squared. You know, this is a is negative 1, so it's going to be downward. And 0, 0. The plot, if you plot it, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2, 3, negative 3, something like that. So this graph will be like that. Something like this, smooth. But I cannot graph that way. So Okay, now we're going to check that. So you can tell this is wider since it's increasing slower, and then downward. We're going to check it with the graphing calculator by plug it in. Cycle. First one is this one, 2x squared. Next one is negative x squared graph. This is the first graph. This is the second graph. And so the answer is 1. Second one is wider and opens downward.